Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are discussing on this topic Lux Meter or light meter. So Lux Meter or digital Lux Meter. So because there are two types of Lux Meter, analog Lux Meter and digital Lux Meter. So so a digital Lux Meter usually it will be used nowadays. Yeah. So digital Lux Meter is a device or digital light meter is a device which is used to measure the light intensity. So now we will try to basically lux is a unit, we can say lux is a unit which is used to measure the intensity of light. So now we need to understand on what principle this lux meter or the digital lux meter will work. Yeah. So digital lux meter working principle is here. So this we will consider here 1 square meter area, that is all sides it is 1 square meter. In order to we are making this particular definition in order to understand definition of 1 lux. So this is 1 square meter area and this is a light source and which is kept at a distance of, that means the area on which we want to measure the light intensity and the light source, the distance between these two should be 1 feet. This is for ideal case, I mean for 1 lux, this is the definition. Yeah, ideally, yeah, definitely it can be more than this, and that is why we will measure at any distance. So this is for 1 lux. So 1 lux is something defined like this. If 1 square meter area is present and if you want to measure the light intensity on this particular area, and if the light source is kept at a distance of 1 feet, then the intensity measured at this particular area is called as 1 lux. Yes. So light source can be anything, yeah, like a lamp or bulb or sunlight or anything, any source of light. So this is just a definition of 1 lux. So depending on this, now we have defined 1 lux. Now as per the distance, I mean the distance and the surface area and the light source, it varies. Okay. So basically what is the important component in lux meter which is used in order to get the amount of light intensity as a, or a measure of light intensity? The main components in lux meter are the display and next component is light sensor. This is very important. Because of this light sensor we are keeping on this particular area, and this area will be sensing, I mean this sensor will be sensing how much light is present in this area, and that will be displaying in turn into the display. So this is all about lux meter. It can be, as I already told you, it can be digital or analog lux meter. Previously analog lux meter we used, and it will be displayed in needle format, like it will be displayed, that is why it is analog. So now we will take some typical values like how much lux of units will be there in our day-to-day life. So usually it has been found that sunrise and sunset, during sunrise and sunset, it will be the light intensity which will be present is around 500 lux during sunrise and sunset, and in midday, I mean in between of the day, somewhere it will be around 1 lakh lux. So this is the some of the approx values. It's not the accurate, but it's like usually this will be the measurement. And one more thing, it is found that while learning, I mean if we are studying in a study room, the usually amount of intensity which is must for reading, because it requires a lot of strain to our eyes. So minimum it should be 300 lux, then only it will be good for studying. This is the one thing which I can tell you. Yeah, so this is about the overall concept of lux meter or the light meter. And now we will see some of the applications of this meter. So the main application areas are schools, hospitals and laboratories. In schools for measuring some of the practical experiments, carrying out some of the physics practical experiments, this lux meter is used. And in hospitals, in order to, if there will be many instruments for getting the x-rays or something like x-ray kind of thing. So in these situations nowadays with the recent technology, this lux meters are used. And in laboratories, yeah, definitely to perform some of the experiments, and also in industries, apart from this it will be used. Yeah, this is all about lux meter. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.